DeepSearch lets you search through multiple captures for packets matching a standard display filter. CloudShark checks each file for matching packets, presenting the results to you. Combined with our existing metadata filters, DeepSearch becomes a powerful tool for quickly digging through your files to identify captures containing the packets you need. Start by applying index filters from the main capture index to narrow your search pool. Your search pool lists all the captures a display filter will be tested against. If at least one packet in a given file matches the display filter, that file will be returned as part of the results. Next, select a number of captures by clicking their corresponding checkbox or the box at the top to select all captures. Then click the Deep Search button in the toolbar and a pop-up will appear allowing you to enter a display filter. Either type in the input box or click one of the previous filters to launch your Deep Search. The Deep Search view is the same as the Capture Index view with the addition of the search bar at the top of the table. The search bar provides feedback about your current Deep Search, including the display filter used, a progress bar or status, and a view selector. The view selector has 3 views to choose from. Deep Search results displays the entire search pool, but files that do not match the display filter are disabled. Matching Captures Only displays only the files that match the display filter. Original Search Pool shows and enables all of the capture files in the search pool. This view is helpful if you need to modify your initial search. It's essential to note that display filters are limited to matching a single packet. Consider searching for a file with DNS and DHCP traffic in it. A simple display filter like DNS and DHCP only describes a single packet which would not have both protocols. To perform this kind of Boolean AND expression, do 2 consecutive deep searches. First, search on the DNS filter. When that is complete, use the Select All checkbox to match all the marked files for a second deep search of DHCP. The results of this second search will be the set of files that have both DNS and DHCP in them. While the search bar is visible, clicking on a row will open that capture with the current deep search display filter applied. To return to your deep search results, use the browser's back button. You can also use Command-click on a Mac or Control-click on Windows to open the capture in a new browser tab. Deep Search in CloudShark provides efficient packet searching across multiple captures, allowing you to find the packets you need for in-depth network analysis quickly. Save time and gain valuable insights with this powerful tool at your disposal. Explore Deep Search today and streamline your network troubleshooting process.